Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get verified on Telegram. So this is applicable to a channel, a group, or a bot. So let's start. First, open your Telegram. And then first, you'll need to copy the link of the group or channel that you would like to be verified. So for example, this is the group I want to verify. Okay, so just going to copy the links in here. Okay. Just copy its link. And then go back to your home page. Search for Verify Bot. Verify Bot is the official verification bot of Telegram. That's why it has a check mark on the right side of it. So tap on that. And then what you need to do is to tap Start. And you'll need to paste in here the link of your group, your bot, or your channel. And then just follow the specific process in here. Normally, they will reply to you within 24 hours, but you just need to be patient with them so that they can help you verify your channel, group, or bot. And that's how to get verified on Telegram. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.